How to lock YouTube on screen on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and you'll have to download this application called Touch Lock. So as you can see, I've already installed it. So we're simply gonna tap on open and it will take us to the home page of the application that we have installed. So make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on the device, and if not a Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data as well. So first of all, let's accept for all the privacy and give some access. Now as we give the access and allow for the overlay, it will take us to settings, and all we have to do is give access to this particular application. So let's wait until we get the options to allow the overlay. So let's find the application over here. So let's tap on Touch Lock and allow it. Now as we do that, let's go back, and here it will show how to enable it. So we can now just go back, and as we do that, now let's wait and go over here. So let's launch the YouTube application as of now, and as we launch the YouTube application, now let's play any particular video over here. So if you want to lock the screen over here, so let me just do it. You can just drag down the menu and simply tap on the option of Touch Lock Light, and we have enabled it over here. Now we cannot just move it everywhere, and it is locked over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.